Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Journey. In this video, I'm doing some simple love drawing ideas. I'm sharing 36 doodle ideas in this video. So watch the full video and comment what is your favorite. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications in future. Hope you enjoyed our video today. Give a like, comment your ideas, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications in future.